Are you tired of your yellow teeth? The struggle for a radiant smile is real, and it matters. A stunning smile can make all the difference when it comes to first impressions. But worry not, we have got you covered with 3 natural methods to whiten your teeth. Our first natural teeth whitening method involves something you may already have in your kitchen: baking soda. It's not just for baking and cleaning, folks. Baking soda can also be your secret weapon for teeth whitening. Simply mix it with water to create a paste and brush your teeth with it. The natural whitening properties of baking soda, a common ingredient in commercial toothpastes, can help scrub away surface stains from your teeth. With consistent use, baking soda can help scrub away surface stains on your teeth and give you a whiter smile. The second natural method we recommend is oil pulling, an ancient dental technique. This involves swishing oil around in your mouth to dislodge bacteria, which can turn into plaque and cause your teeth to yellow. Various oils can be used for this purpose, with coconut oil being a popular choice due to its pleasant taste and numerous health benefits. Try oil pulling for a few minutes each day to see results. In addition to whitening your teeth, oil pulling also promotes gum health and freshens your breath. Our third and final natural method involves what you eat. Certain fruits, notably strawberries and pineapples, can help whiten your teeth. Strawberries are packed with malic acid, a natural substance that can strip away discoloration. Pineapples, on the other hand, contain bromelain, an enzyme that effectively eliminates stains. But it's not all about these 2 fruits. Maintaining a well-balanced, healthy diet is integral to overall oral hygiene. Remember, a healthy diet contributes to healthy white teeth. So there you have it, 3 natural methods to whiten your teeth. From baking soda and oil pulling to a fruit-filled diet, each approach is natural, affordable, and easily woven into your daily routine. Say goodbye to yellow teeth and hello to a bright, confident smile.